guys, what's up? It's another vlog series. I'm with Kim, by the way.
Hi! Hey!
Di namin makitaan. Oh my God.
Ito na gani ko doon.
Ayan. So we're gonna party all night! Woo! Di ba tingnan nyo? Di ba ang traffic? So, see you mamaya. Bye! And now we're back and we're here at Blanche+Parades+FoodFest. By the way, it's Kadayawan 2017 muna nag-party muna exam. So yeah.
Kaya ko na pilo dahil joke.
Managyon! Managyon!
Kinsang iguto.
I'm gonna buy this glow stick. Ano, kaya sa'yo, ano man? So we're gonna buy those stuff. Actually, isa lang, wala may budget. Yan yung bili namin. Ikaw patingin. Girl, party! Party! Break muna, break! I need break! After party look. After party look. Pareho ka ba sa akong tao? Ay, di na ako kadungog. Ambot ang feel ako pasok kay kong tingog pero dili.
Hello? Ito sila Mark.
Bungol po ko. Di na ako kadungog. Unya na lang, balik na yung kapoy kayo bay. Wet do kay sila bay. Tisot. Boy, dito tabay ako monopod. Dahil na again. Ito na ito. Medyo kayo kong look guys. Feel ako kay di ko kadungog. Ambot lang. Murag bungol jud kaayo, promise.
Diri kay kusog kayo na diri ni hinay.
Diba? Ano nga, wet look. Wet look. Awa mo sa mga sapatos na mo guys.
Dahil sapatos na.
Bay, medyo kong namasak ka ni Bay.
From white shoes to black shoes.
Bay, medyo kong namasak,
Ano na siya?
Bay.
From Bukidnon na community service.
So that's the end of the day 1 of Kadayawan Festival guys.
Ay,
Matulog.
it's lit. Worth
Yeah,
it.
It's time check. It's 2
From Hell Week to
2 a.m.
Heaven one day.
And
Di ko siya heaven!
One day, uy, grabe na.
I feel so
Guys, like this. Guys, it's super wild.
fresh on
Like,
the fresh on the butt. Fresh on the heck. That was just
really like it though.
So, yan na yun
Makabawi,
guys.
should me Bay.
Day 2 na bukas, so watch out for that. So bye.
Bye!
Hey, what's up guys? It's the day 2 of the Kadayawan Festival 2017. And now we're here at San Pedro Street na siya. Basta Street. This is a part where may mga floral parade siya. That's what they call it. As you can see na ako something. Amazing. Yun siya no, parehas.
Fortune Mall daw sila. Sa Fortune Mall. Ay, dito ata.
That's my brother right there.
Ano sila sa third floor?
Maulaw daw siya. We'll be right back, guys. Look! And that's for free. Puno, amazing! So we are here at one of the famous restaurants here in Davao. That is Davao famous, diba? From the word itself, Davao famous. We're gonna buy their famous siopaw here in Davao. Amazing. Look at the restaurant. I highly recommend it. Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again. And karon kagabi na siya. Nami sa Kadayawan Square sa San Pedro. This is where all the magic happens. Muna siyang Kadayawan Square. Amazing. Hello, Mama. Mothers. Mothers. Sabi ka rin sa, di ba ni picture? Video mali. Sabi sa Kadayawan Square, mga namin.
Nagana siya yung Dino.
Picture, ano siya? About something about you.
Something is bored.
Yeah, so we're bored. Very bored. We'll be going to SM.
Something about you.
And now we're here at SM Lanang Premier. Okay, FoodFest. Again, food is life, everyone. Another food fest, guys. It's the Mosa Food Fest. Thank you for watching, guys. That's the end of the video. That is my Escape for Kadayawan 2017. I am very sorry. I am really trying my best to cope up with my schedule. As what you can see, I'm editing the vlog right now. Yes, it's been over 2 days since the Kadayawan Festival. I hope next year you will experience the Kadayawan Festival because it was super duper lit. Comment down below for your Kadayawan experience. I will be really happy to hear those experiences of yours. And if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below. I hope you've enjoyed the whole vlog, guys. And that's it for today. Be you, be amazing. See you in the next video. Bye! Mamaya na lang po kami magpa-party. We'll be having a photo booth here. Free.